16th hole.
Sorry.
16th hole at the Bear. How good are those approach shots?
Both tied match play. No one's giving up an inch. Grandpa beat Dad maybe by a little bit. I'm not sure.
It's the other way around.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you got me by about 2 inches. You gonna go put those in for us? Yeah.
Connor, can you go putt those for us? Okay, where's your putter?
Go put him in. Poor little guy.
Here.
I'm walking too much.
Okay, come on.
Let's go put him. Show your bogey daddy.
Bogey double bogey grandpas. Hmm?
Grandpa, go. This is mine.
Yeah, come. You hit my ball for me, okay?
Yeah, that's mine.
That one of yours was on its way in.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Those were pretty tight.
Mine was on the rock.
Yeah, I had a easier shot. I'm not gonna lie. Look at those. Okay, are you? Oh, you okay? Okay, can you come putt these?
If you had a bit in the rough, you might have knocked yours in.
Yeah, it's my fault for hitting it so good.
Ready?
Okay, I think I took a triple there now. All the penalty stroke.
Hit Grandpa's in. Knock Grandpa's in now. Awesome putt. You the man. Give me 5.
All right, let's go back to the cart. You're driving.
That's it. That's it.
You putt it, yeah.
Yeah, I do.
Your
You-
ball.
Are you waving to the crowd?
That's your ball. What do you want to get, green one? Okay.
That's my ball.
Not more.
Yeah,
You like
that's yours.
green.
Okay, go to the cart.